On today's video, we will show you how to quickly and easily reset your iPhone cellular data network to fix any connectivity issue you may be experiencing. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Setting. First, you can open the Setting app on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to General. Next, you can scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Step 3. Reset Network Setting. Now you can scroll down until you found Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it, then you tap on Reset. After that, there are some options. You can choose Reset Network Setting. Step 4. Confirm. Finally, tap on Reset Network Setting again to confirm. This will reset all your network settings, including your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone, and your iPhone will be restarting again. Wait for the process. And there you have it. Your iPhone cellular data network has now been reset, which should fix any connectivity issue you were experiencing. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you again.